you all are doing great. So today here in this video I'm gonna tell you how can reset your VS Code in your Mac computer. So if you are facing any kind of issue there in your VS Code, then you can simply resolve it just by resetting the VS Code. So to do it, what I have to do is go to these settings. Now here you will see this option, tab on it. Now here what I'll do is I'll simply delete it. I will save it. So now you have successfully resetted your VS Code. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful for you, then be sure to like this video.